Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Colette Roy, and I am wanting to provide you with some inspiration as well as some instruction in this upcoming video about how to deep clean your fridge and your freezer for that matter. Get it all done at once. You're going to feel so great every time you open up your fridge and you see it be this fountain of health versus a little bit grungy and a little bit cluttered. So give it some time, book some time with yourself, and get this done. It's going to make you feel better for a long time.
Okay, and this is the best way to clean your fridge. I have been a professional cleaner for pretty much my whole life. I had a house cleaning company for a decade. What I want you to do is I want you to first and foremost buy yourself Simple Green. Get a gallon, and you're going to use that in the kitchen for the rest of your life because it's the best degreaser there is. Okay, put some of the Simple Green inside of the tub and fill it with really blazing hot water. And you're going to be pulling all of your shelves out, one at a time, two at a time, whatever, just so that they can soak. Soak inside that degreaser and that hot water, and everything is going to loosen up, and then you're going to go after it with a green scrubby sponge. So Simple Green, again, you're going to take that gallon, you're going to pour a certain amount into the dilution. It tells you all about it on how to do it on this bottle, but it's on the internet, I'm sure. But this is the sponge I'm talking about, green scrubby. This is your most abrasive sponge ever. Definitely do not clean your countertops if they are from mica or that can scratch. You want to use this one. Blue is your win if you don't want to scratch anything, because you can really scratch anything that's scratchable. I'm pretty sure I've scratched even the glass with this green stuff. But anyway, be careful, but it's a really helpful tool to make sure that you get everything off really quickly and effectively, but also efficiently. That's my big key in life, efficiency. Use the right tool. Sadly, I'm doing this in a little bit of reverse, where I should have taken more before photos. But what I want to show you is, this is just sort of how it looks prior to scrubbing it with the tub. You can't really see it, but it's all gooey. It's, there's some stuff in the crevices. When you soak these in the water, that will all come out. I think you can see some schmutz. What I want to show you now is I've cleaned these. This is what this looks like. You can maybe see it through that's a glass thing. You can see right through. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful and inspiring, and you learned something there. Here's the final product. Everything is scrubbed. I took all these guys down, pulled everything out, and stuck those in the water bath as well. And what I want to say is I was recognizing that I was holding far too many jars and things that I wasn't using in the back, which then made the whole fridge feel really cramped and didn't permit me to have enough storage. I don't even think I have enough storage right now. I'd like more, but more storage for fresh foods and, food that I've made and prepared. That doesn't really allow for a whole bunch of space right there. So there may be some adjustments, but I wanted to let you know this is a clean fridge and purged to a certain extent at this point. That's all we can hope for. Better. Not perfect. As I'm going big on my fridge today, I thought I'd also talk about this area. I use mine as some level of successes, some level of inspiration. These are my favorites right now. This is nervous system activation symptoms and deactivation techniques. These have been incredibly helpful this past couple of months for me as I go through some major life challenges and experiences that I don't regret, but now have a better handle on, because I come over to this fridge and I read what's happening in my body. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. This is what's happening. I'm triggered. Good to know. How do I get out of this? Because this doesn't feel good. I'm sure you all do this. I will sweep the front of the fridge probably, every 3 months or so. It's not timeline, but when it gets too much, it's also just not ideal. things blend in. It's always good to change things up because you see it better. But what I want to say is go through, take things off. Even if you put them back up, they'll go in with different energy. And it's a really good reset. And if you can, give the front of the fridge an empty space for a while. Like maybe the whole thing, or just 2 things up so that it has your full attention. That's what's going to happen right now. I have these sheets, these symptoms and techniques on my website. So just go head over to my website at clutterandcouples.com and you'll be able to download them easily. All right.